to Lisa's slime channel. Today we're going to make fairy dust slime. Before we get on with the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get some glue. Pour your glue into your bowl. How much glue you add in is going to be how much slime you're going to have. Next thing you want to do is add in a little bit of baking soda. About this much. You can add a little bit more if you want to. Now mix that up really good. So now you can add in glitter, which is the fairy dust. You need fine glitter because that's the main fairy dust. Add in a good amount of that, like about this much. Now mix that up. Close your glitter. Now add in whatever other glitter you want to add in. As I mentioned in my last video, add more glue if you add in too much glitter. Mix. If you add more glue, mix that in. Now add in the last of your glitter. Make sure to mix up all your glitter. Now you can add food coloring, which is optional. I think I'll do blue. My food coloring is very strong, so I only use a very small drop. Mix that up. Now add in your contact solution. Only add in a little bit at a time. Mix that up now. Add in more contact solution if you need to. So just keep adding in contact solution until it's not sticky anymore or to your likings. Now you can start kneading it once you feel like you should start kneading it, which is usually when it starts to get less sticky or thicker. Get all of the extra slime on the bowl, off of the bowl. And then just like that, your fairy dust slime, pixie dust or fairy dust slime is ready. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.